Everyone, all of you are most welcome in third episode of this channel. The channel name is Walk and Talk in English. My first view to teach you how you can express your views among the people, among your friends. For this, it is very necessary to know the sentence. So today we are going to know about the sentence, and sentence is the best form by which we can express our views among the people. This topic is related for class 6 and 7. So at first we are going to know what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. If we are knowing, if you are telling any types of sentences, then there is noun, pronoun and other kinds of parts of speech words. So we cannot make sentence by, if we cannot make sentence by putting in disorder the words. If we are putting the nouns at the place of verb, then sentence cannot be formed. If we are putting the verb at the place of noun, then sentence cannot be formed. So you are by example you can understand. If you are writing song he sings, this is not a sentence because noun is not at proper place. If we are writing that he sings a song, then sentence is formed. This is the sentence, because by this sentence, by this or by the arranging this word, we are finding a meaning, we are finding the sense of this word, so it is the sentence. So I think that you have better understand what is sentence. Now after knowing the definition of sentence, we are going to know that how many kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences. One is assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, and third is exclamatory sentence, fourth is imperative sentence, and fifth is optative sentence. So by these sentences we can move among the people. By each kind of sentences we can express our view among the people. So at first we have to know that what is assertive sentence. Assertive, the sentence which declares or states the statement is known as assertive sentence. Have you understood? The sentence which declares or asserts the statement is known as assertive sentence. The example, by the example you can better understand. He gives me a pen. He gives me a pen, that is the assertive sentence. After assertive sentence, we have to know second one. Second one is what? Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Do you know? Interrogative sentence. By the sentence, if there is expression of asking question, then it is known as interrogative sentence. We are going to know third types of sentence, and this one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory, do you know what is exclamatory sentence? By the sentence, if there is expression of sudden feeling, is known as exclamatory sentence. Suppose that if you are going with your family, with your parents anywhere, and you have seen a very beautiful scene, and you say to your mother or parents, brothers, that what a beautiful scene. That is the sudden feeling. जो भी चीज आप अचानक महसूस करते हैं वो एक सडन फीलिंग हो जाता है. तो जब हमें कोई चीज अचानक महसूस होता है तो उसे हम सडन फीलिंग कहते हैं. सडन, तो इस तरह के वाक्य को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस कहते हैं. जस्ट लाइक व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सीन इट इज, दैट इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस वी आर feeling, our feeling is sudden, we have felt something sudden, because of this is exclamatory sentence. हम कुछ भी अचानक महसूस करते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाता है? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस हो जाता है. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस को मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम लोग व्हाट, हाउ से शुरू करते हैं और लास्ट में हम लोग एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन देते हैं. तो दिस इज द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. Exclamatory sentence maybe can be also started with oh, oh no. When we are starting our exclamatory sentences by using oh, oh no, then we have to put the exclamation sign after oh and oh no. Okay, have you understood? To understand the exclamatory sentences, I think there is no problem to understand the exclamatory sentences. I think it is clear. There is no doubt. After knowing this, we are going to know about the fourth types of sentences, and that is imperative sentence. So now, what is imperative sentence? We have to know imperative sentence. The sentence which is related with command or request. The sentence which is related with command or request is known as imperative sentence. There are two types command request is, you can write the two types of sentence and two types of imperative sentence. One is command and one is by using the request. Like, please give me your pen. You are saying that please give me your pen. That is the request. You are saying, you are requesting to someone. Then this is also the imperative sentence. And whenever you want to use the words, you want to give a command, then this type of sentences must probably started with the verb, like shut the door. Now we are going to know about the last kinds of sentence. That last kind of sentence, what? Last sentence is, that is optative sentence. And in optative, how do you know, how do you identify that sentence is optative sentence? So you have to know which type of word will be related in the optative sentence. If in a sentence there is expression of wishes, prayer, king or curse, then the sentence is optative sentence. Okay, have you all of you have understood? Is there any problem? You may ask me. So now, by the example, you can better understand. May God bless you. You are blessing to someone, then it is the optative sentence. Now, I think that all of you have understood, better understand that the sentence and the kinds of sentences. By this, we can express our view, as I have told you before starting the class, that by using this kind of sentences, we can express ourselves among other peoples. So it is very necessary to know the kinds of sentences. After knowing all kinds of sentences, we have to do the related exercise of the sentence. It will be due in the next class. So you will try to do the exercise at first by yourselves, and if you are unable to do it, I will cooperate you to do. It will be done in the next class. So that's over. Thank you.